for you. Oh, pretty good. Awesome. My gloves are in there.
Packs. We have to install it to the wall.
No! That's ridiculous.
So step stool is ideal.
We don't have one.
No. Power drill would be ideal.
Don't have one.
Knowing anything about construction or putting anything together.
Again, ideal.
Ideal.
Don't have any.
Being adults, I bring an X bench. I should have brought my dad.
Who's building stuff? Bragging. Not bragging or nothing. Actually, I am. Want to join me on the other one? Packs! Alright!
Give us a status update on the packs.
Status update, we built our initial frame. The hardest part, I think, is out of the way. How is one expected to lift this and keep it as one piece? It's already going.
Oh shit. Let's both go from this end here.
Really?
You think? You don't think? Like we go whoop.
Oh, no. Oh, we were going to stand it up.
Yeah.
You hammer the back on now.
Yeah.
This little move. Oh!
That's the back.
Oh. The holes go at that end.
Yeah. Oh. Whoa.
I made that mark. Oh. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh. James.
Matthew.
Okay. Throw this.
Okay, you hold it that end.
This. Okay. James, stop it. You're doing this on purpose.
No, I'm not.
Where did you get your hammer technique?
You know,